Hello Diecast Collector, this is J Diecast 12 once again with another video. Today I'm going to show you my latest find. I'm going to start with some Hot Wheels. This is the Mud Rod. Really nice casting. Really cool. Then I grabbed the 64 Chevy Nova wagon on red from the HWR cars. I like this one. Really don't like the other one. And this one have purple interior. Really nice. I don't like the color too much on that one, but I grabbed the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, and with this one I have another one. Hold on guys, I did grab another one. Well, this one, the other one, my friend brought it to me. I think this is a GameStop or Kroger exclusive, one of them. Doesn't have no number on the card. You guys see the top of the card right there. I think this is a Kroger exclusive from B Case. Let's see, you guys can see it right there. There you go. This is the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. So I have this too. Let me see if they could get a hold right there. Well, I have that one, those two. Then I got this one, the yellow one. Really nice. Now let's keep going with my finds. I have the 2018 Kobo Camaro SS. Also have the blue one and the brown one. Don't have them close to me. But this is a nice color right there. Really nice. And two Honda City Turbo 2 from 1985. I like the black one. I don't think I have it, and I actually like these two colors too, but I like more the black one. Really nice. Now I'm gonna keep going with the Hot Wheels. I have the '69 Torino Talladega. And yes, it's pretty cool. Like the interior color. I don't know why they put a blue on it, but it doesn't go with the outside or the windows or nothing. Well, yeah, it could probably go with the tampos. Yeah, I do go with the tampos. Tampos is blue. I couldn't see right, but yeah, tampos are blue. Really nice. Now I have the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32, and there is a super for this casting. And one of the other ones that my friend brought me is the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT from the throwback from Target. Oops. Now I got two premiums. I grabbed this 88 Mercedes Unimog U1300. I have the Street Fighter ones, and from this collection I have the Super Van and this truck right here. Also grabbed the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 4x4 from the Desert Rally Premium Collection, and I complete the whole thing. Finally, about time. Now, I just got this like half an hour ago, and I needed that one. I love it. It's really cool casting. Can't wait to open it, but I do collect the card on this set, because I'm missing a couple ones. But I'm not gonna open it now. I'm gonna make a video opening all my haulers. I got a couple haulers. I got like 8 of them. Then I do got a place to put them, but I gotta clean up that space, and then we will open all the haulers. Now let's keep going with some Matchbox. I have a 95 Subaru SVX, and I love this car. Really nice. Tampos in the back. No tampos in the front. Just the signal lights. But just the fact that it got those rims on, they picked the right rims for it, and it's on white. It's gonna stay on the card until I find another one. Really nice. Now I have the 2016 Ford Interceptor utility. Really cool. And the Skyjacker Super Duty F350, and this is 2018. Also from this set, I think I have the 72 Ford Bronco and the Golf 2010 Ford F100. Sorry, it was a 2010 Ford F150 SVT Raptor. That's the Golf one from that set. Now this was a small mail call last week. I didn't show it up in the video. I wait to have the little bit more of cars. I have ordered this one because I wanted one Ford GT40 Golf Edition. This is a Matchbox, and I do want the GT40 Super. I know a lot of people want it, just because it's a Super, but I like it because it's a Super, and the color on it is really nice on the Super. And it's a Golf, and it have the tempo of Golf, so I do want it. I got a couple of Golf cars. Now I'm gonna keep going with my 2 last find for this video. This is the 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL. Color is Wimbledon white. I don't know how to pronounce that, but if you guys could see it right there. You guys could read it right there. Now you know what color is it, but it's not white. Well, it is white, but it got some kind of cream color on top, and it do have black interior. Really cool. I got a couple outerwears too to open and a video. This is the second outerwear that I grabbed. 1962 Chevy Impala SS convertible, and I did see this car real life on, well, no, personal. I saw it on TV on a show, and yeah, it is a nice car. It's a silver blue poly. Now I'm gonna take advantage of this video, guys, and the reason that why I had all my custom on the bag, as you guys see right now, Oops. Yeah, things happens on the videos and they're gonna keep happening. Cause it's like that. That's life. So this is the latest customs that I had. Right there on the wall hanging. Now this one right here. Let me bring my little thing that it goes around. I don't know what it calls. Display. A circle displayable, whatever. Um, this one I had it with some regular wheels or plastic wheels, and I put those from the Ford Transit, I think it was, and that's how it's gonna stay, guys. It looked really tough. You guys had saw this before in my last video, my first video for the customs. Um, Also the Honda Civic, the Honda CRX, the C10 back there, the Nissan Titan, and the 240 Custom with the back big wheels on the back. Now, before I go with the latest customs and wheel swap, I'm gonna show you guys what my brand brought me. This is a 2015, I think it is, yep, 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT, and it did came out 2016. It's a 10 now, and I'm trying to get more of the Dodge Challenger. It doesn't matter, it's M2, Matchbox, Hot Wheels, whatever I collect that is not other brands. So I'm gonna put this one right here for now. Now let's keep going with my latest custom and wheel swap. I'm gonna just grab random. Um, let's start right here with the Dutch Demon SRT. Look at this beauty, and it did came out perfect the way I was expecting. Um, these rims take it out from a treasure hunt from 2002. They are very easy to find in my area. I don't know about you guys. Um, really nice. Love that casting, and with the wheel swap, look really good. I had, sorry guys, I had tried make it look like the Super with the black rims in the middle and the outline on chrome, but I didn't like it, so I had to clean the rims, put it back on, and leave it like that. Love this one. Now I'm gonna keep going with the Acura NSX, and yes, this is one of my best wheel swap. Love this one. Those are alloy wheel swap. Um, I ordered them on eBay. Look at that, it's dropped too on the floor. Don't have no space, but it still rolls. You guys can see it still rolls perfect. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna hit a little bit back right here. There we go. Now I'm gonna keep going with the RX-7, and those are plastic wheels. Also, ordered them on eBay. They are really nice. They are plastic, but they are really nice. I could show it to you closer. Let me just zoom in. Then grab the car right here real quick. Show you guys those wheels. You guys can see. Says that van right there, and really nice. Now I'm gonna keep going with the. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's go with the Golf. Have three Golf right here. This is the Mustang 2015. Golf. I think it's the 2015 or 2016. Not sure. I forgot. But yeah, it do look tough with those rims. Love the way it came out. I think the light is too bright for it right now. We can go right here. Yep. You guys can see it better. Tell me that is a beauty. Love that one. Especially with the tampons on Golf. Real Riders. That was a nice wheel swap right there. Professional. I'm gonna put this one right here with the Golf. Really nice. So that you guys can see where I put it. And we could go with the next one. Of course, I had to make the black, the blue one with the black wheels, black interior. Of course, I use black button head screws, 2x56. They all got that. That's what I use. And yes, it do look nice. Really nice. Now this one look really tough. Love that one. That's the Nova from the Golf. Really good. Those wheels are Matchbox. It came, I'll show you guys real quick where it came in. It came on this one. There you go, guys. You see the wheels better now? There we go. That's a really nice car right there. Now, this one's gonna go right here. Oops. Let's put it right there. Really cool. So, let's keep going with the wheel swap. The 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. Look at that beauty. And again, those rims are from treasure hunts from back in the days. That's what they used to call treasure hunts before they came out with the supers. That one is really nice. I'm gonna put it right here in the display. They can hang there for now. And then the Holly Gasser. Really nice. Those wheels, I had ordered them, especially because they say Goodyear on the side. Let me see if I could focus this thing right here. Yep, you guys can see in the front. It says Goodyear in the top fender right there. And the wheel says Goodyear. And I do like the way it came out. They all are rollers. Now let's keep going with 3 customs. This is our customs. This is my first car that I had dropped. Yes, it rolled. This is the Honda Civic Type R. I'm gonna close it up right here for you guys to see how drop it is. Let me just go down a little bit, and there we go. That's how drop I did that. Love that one. It's my first time I drop a car, and I could prove you guys that it runs right now. Take this out real quick. It rolls pretty good for what I needed it. Fix this. and you go that way. Now, I did this one like 4 days ago. I hope you guys like that porch. This is from a 5-pack. On the details, I'm not really good, but they look like they are there. The front headlights, they was there. Front black grille, I did that. You guys can see the details are not really good. The handles on the door and the part from the spoiler and the tail lights, I did those. Now the wheels, of course, is a wheel swap. The back grille and the interior, I don't know if you guys can see it. If I go closer like that. There we go. You guys can see a little bit. It's not focusing right now. There we go. Couple more seconds, guys. And right there. So now my last wheel swap, I had took out the wheels from this one to do a custom or a wheel swap to my friend, and this is what I came out with. This is the Nissan Silvia S15 from the Street Tuner. What I basically did here was use the wheels. It was a wheel donator for another custom or another wheel swap. Take out the spoiler. It's very simple and very easy to take out. As soon as you open the car, spoiler should come out very easy. What I did here was the signal lights, the handles. You guys could see the spray for the windows, the front window. Now on the spoiler, I'll take out the spoiler and I use acrylic. Of course, if you're a minor under 18, you should use all of that with adult supervision. Whenever you're gonna customize a car or a die-cast car, you should use adult supervision because we use dangerous tools. So yeah, this is what I came out, guys. This is what I came out with. The trunk doesn't look really that good, but for me it looks really good. It's mine's. I'm happy with it, and it rolls perfectly fine. And I bet if I put this car in a track, it would be anything. It's metal, and rolls perfect and really heavy. So guys, thank you for watching once again. If you like the video, hit a like, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.